Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 2024 recap video editing on CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone and I'm going to show you how we can create 2024 recap video editing. To create that video editing, we're going to use CapCut template. So I'm going to go to the templates menu and then we can simply search for the 2024 recap. You can go to the search menu right here and then you're going to search for 2024 recap. And as you can see that the 2024 recap templates have appeared right here. So I just need to select one of them. I'm going to choose, for example, this template, and I'm going to replace the video in the template with my own videos. Okay, this is how the template looks like, and I'm going to use the template. Wait, guys. Okay, and then here, as you can see, we need to add or select 34 items from our gallery. You can either choose video or photo. I'm just going to choose video. Okay, we need to select 35 videos, and I'm just going to pick random video to make the process faster. Okay, hold on guys, hold on, I'm still choosing the video. Okay, oops. Okay, alright, and now 34 items have been selected and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment. The CapCut will create a video for us. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay, and once you're ready to export the video, you can click on export, and I recommend you to export without a watermark so the CapCut watermark will be removed from your video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create 2024 recap video editing on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.